Are there any innovations we could try? Robotic limbs, exoskeleton, clinical trials. I read about a study with a guy.
I don't think another clinical trial is what Roman's asking for, Wolf.
I want to be a good doctor. I want to see his perspective, but we've come so far just to let him go. I can't, not with him.
What you do best is allow your patients to see the world the way they want to. You honor who they are, what they choose, even if you disagree. I admire that about you. Yes, you know how many lives I've saved only to have patients relegated to states they find unacceptable, states I would find unacceptable? The decision he made is hard. If we're good doctors, we honor it.